Intermission break. Yep, 2019-20 Optic Choice Basketball Triple Box Break. Everything will ship out of here. If you don't hit something, I'll toss something in there for you guys as well. So let's see if we can get her to focus in. All right, Seagroves 20, Jamie R, River City, Pauly B, Kai, Vang, H House, Jamie R, River City, M Marinich, Isaac, Straw, Hugh, Cornerback, Browning, River, Corner, Danaby, Worm, Decoys, Soro, Frankie, MF, CLR, Browning 51, Mikey N, Isaac, T-Pass, T-Pain, I like it, and CLR down there too. Never noticed some weird Utah yas. All right, here's box number one. It's gonna go quick. It's boom or bust. But these are nice little bangers right here. Little silver guy, Trey Bird. Going over to Atlanta, River City. Then to Sacramento. You got Buddy Hield, and that will be out of 88. 76 out of 88. So Isaac Hope hitting down there. Then Isaiah Roby. Pauly B looking for a little Kobe White 101. Listen, sometimes when you call your shot, it works, Pauly. You were the first one to do it. All right, Dallas Hughes 1701. Nice Isaiah Roby. Then you got the Dragon Scale, Tobias Harris. I wish it was anybody other than Tobias Harris, but still, Danaby 17. And Dragon Scales are tough. Bruno Fernando to Atlanta. So River City and Eric Paschal, Golden State. Brownie 51. All right, that's box number one. Nothing too wild. Box number two. Take a big old swing of this, huh? Okay. I gotta do a weird inventory report tomorrow and see what I got left. I gotta clean me out here. Here's Alonzo Trier. Then you got Daniel Gafford over to the Bulls. So Pauly B, it's not the one of one Kobe White, but it's still something, right? 55 out of 88. Tremont Waters to Boston. Cornerback 9. Non-number. The Signature Series choice autos there. Shabazz Napier. Going to M. Marinich. Darius Garland to the Cavs. And a Terrence Mann peeking his goofy head around there. Terrence Mann over to the Clip Show. Mikey N. It's going to boil down to this last box, isn't it? Whew. Come on. All right, last box. Okay, Jared Allen over to the Nets. Alex Len to Atlanta. 40 out of 88. You got Bob Danridge to Milwaukee. Come on, Bob. God damn it, Bob. So Milwaukee, that's Straw. There you go, dude. Joe Ingles. See, the Jazz did get something down there, T-Pass. The red and green. I mean, I'm not excited about it, but I'm saying he got something. Joe Ingles. Eric Paschal, Warriors, Super Collector, Brownie 51. And then the Miami Heat and H House continuing his Tyler Hero Super Collection. Well, we tried. I'll make sure that everybody gets something out of that break as well. I know there wasn't too much in there, but yeah, we'll I'll get you guys something in there. All right, let me get that one saved up. We'll jump back over to Elite. Yeah, better than nothing.